Struggling to lose weight? The truth is, it's not your training, it's your kitchen. Meal prep is the #1 strategy that separates success from failure. I'm Coach D from Gazey Fitness. Today I'll show you why meal prepping is essential, how it keeps you on track, and a few tips to make it easier than ever. First, consistency beats willpower. Meal prep eliminates guesswork and last-minute poor choices. You control calories, macros, and portion sizes in advance. Second, it's a time and stress saver. Prepping once or twice per week frees up mental energy. No more scrambling for meals or relying on takeout. Third, alignment with your goals. You can tailor prep for fat loss, muscle gain, or maintenance. High protein, portion-controlled meals keep you full and on track. Real-world strategies. Cook proteins and carbs in bulk. A chicken, rice, a potato, or potatoes. Use containers or bento-style meal prep boxes. Keep quick emergency meals handy. Rice cakes, whey, almonds. During contest prep and off-season, meal prep is my secret weapon. My clients succeed when they commit to prepping. Remember, discipline happens in the kitchen long before it shows on the scale or in the mirror. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest meal prep challenge?